Hi, today I'll showing you how to send let's say customer lifetime value and new customer like customer type true false. So you can see my customer lifetime value and new customer false because I used previous information to make a purchase. That's why it's showing false. So you can now let's go on Google Tag Manager here and purchase tag. Then here I already added customer lifetime value and new customers. So, and also you can see my server container. I have Google Ads conversion tracking. Here you can see also enhanced conversion tracking. Okay. So now let's go on preview to make a purchase. Okay. Okay. Let me check. Yes, it's coming here. Add to cart. Check out. Okay. Done. Okay, it's completed. Now let's check. Okay, purchase event is coming here. Now let's check event data. Okay, the customer lifetime value is updated, and also you can see new customer false because I used previous information. That's why. And also let's check the tag here. You can see customer lifetime value, new customer false, everything. Also conversion value. That's it. So- And because it's Shopify, that's why I'm using this Shopify data layer code, which is help me to track all events. So this is the code, full code. Here you can see I added. Okay, that's it. If you want to set up this type of accurate full Google Ads conversion tracking with server side, then you can contact me. Thank you.